This is a really great way to turn a boring background into something beautiful. I did mask off the field area on the flags so I wouldn't get any stenciling in that area using just a beautiful floral stencil. It's such a nice, diverse stencil. It has a lot of design to it. I've loaded my brush with bleach sand, wiped most of the paint off very softly, swirl dry brushing the design on. Because this is such a busy stencil, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm using little portions of the stencil to fill in any empty areas. Just a real quick way to build that design. And I think it looks beautiful. Really dresses up that plain background, especially on a primitive project. But I still wanted it to look primitive. So I'm going in with a little bit of walnut gel stain on a damp baby wipe or paper towel. Just lightly wiping this over, wiping most of it off, but look how rich that becomes. Didn't want it too dark, so I'm going back in with my splatter brush. A little bit of bleach sand makes it look, almost makes it sparkle, creates a little bit of continuity between that beautiful, elegant stencil background, brightens the whole piece up. Added some overlay on lettering. Of course, this is optional, but I think it brings a lot of patriotic fun into the piece. Just arrange them whichever way it works out. It's always those little touches that make such a big difference. I added a bow with ribbon and lace, a little bit of burlap, some curly cues, a rusty tin jingle bell, white cording for a hanger, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I hope you do too. Let me know.